Salmon is a popular type of fish that is widely consumed all over the world. Its distinctive pink flesh and delicate flavor make it a versatile ingredient in a variety of dishes, from sushi to grilled fillets. Here, we will explore some popular dishes made from salmon and provide information on the calorie content of each dish. Grilled salmon fillet. Grilled salmon fillet is a simple yet delicious dish that is perfect for a quick and healthy meal. To prepare the dish, the salmon is seasoned with herbs and spices and then grilled over high heat until it is cooked through. A serving of grilled salmon fillet typically contains around 250 to 300 calories, depending on the size of the portion. Smoked salmon bagel. Smoked salmon bagel is a classic breakfast dish that is popular in many countries. The dish typically consists of a bagel that is topped with cream cheese, smoked salmon, and various garnishes such as capers and red onions. A serving of smoked salmon bagel typically contains around 350 to 400 calories, depending on the size of the bagel and the amount of cream cheese used. Salmon sushi roll. Salmon sushi roll is a popular type of sushi that is made with raw salmon, rice, and various other ingredients such as avocado and cucumber. A serving of salmon sushi roll typically contains around 250 to 300 calories, depending on the size of the roll and the type of ingredients used. Grilled salmon salad. Grilled salmon salad is a healthy and flavorful dish that is perfect for lunch or dinner. The dish typically consists of grilled salmon fillet that is served on a bed of greens and other vegetables such as cherry tomatoes and cucumbers. A serving of grilled salmon salad typically contains around 300 to 350 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional dressing or toppings used. Salmon cakes. Salmon cakes are a tasty and easy to prepare dish that is perfect for a quick meal. To make salmon cakes, canned salmon is mixed with breadcrumbs and various herbs and spices, then shaped into patties and pan-fried until they are golden brown. A serving of salmon cakes typically contains around 250 to 300 calories, depending on the size of the portion and any additional ingredients used in the recipe. In summary, salmon is a versatile and healthy ingredient that can be used in a variety of dishes. When preparing salmon dishes, it is important to keep in mind the calorie content of each dish and to balance out the meal with healthy sides and vegetables. By doing so, you can enjoy the delicious flavors of salmon while maintaining a healthy diet. Grilled salmon fillet is a classic and delicious way to prepare salmon.